Now that you have successfully configured, purchased, and deployed your Savvisdirect Windows Cloud Server, you will want to log in and begin configuring it to suit your needs. This video will cover how to log into a Windows Cloud Server using remote desktop connection. In order to do so, you will need three pieces of information: the name of your server, the public IP address of the cloud server, and your logon credentials. For security purposes, these are never kept in the same place. Your credentials will be sent to you via email, and the name and IP address of the server is available in the Savvisdirect Management Console. First, let's get our credentials. When your Savvisdirect Cloud Server is successfully deployed, you will receive an email providing the administrator credentials. So let's open our email client and pull up the email with your credentials. Note, your password will need to be changed after the initial login. Now that we have the credentials, we need to locate the name and IP address of the Windows Cloud Server. To do this, we need to go to the Savvisdirect website and log into our dashboard. Once we're logged in, we select the CloudServers tab. Here's our server name, and here is its public IP address. Now we are ready to log into our Windows Cloud Server. The utility we use to log in is Remote Desktop Connection, which is a native utility available on Windows platforms. In Windows 7, click on Start menu, All Programs, Accessories, and Remote Desktop Connection. Note that in many times, this utility is referred to as RDP. RDP actually stands for Remote Desktop Protocol, which is the format used by the utility Remote Desktop Connection. In our utility, let's enter our IP address. Now that we can enter our credentials, at this stage, you are logged onto the server. You will manage it the same way as you would any other Windows server. If you receive an error stating that no connection can be made, the error can be one of three things. First, the server may be down. Please check the Savvisdirect Management Console to ensure that the server status is running. Second, port 3389 may be blocked at the firewall dedicated to the cloud server. By default, this port is open, but you can verify this in the Firewall tab. Select your server and ensure that you have not accidentally deleted the firewall rule for inbound port 3389. Third, port 3389 may be blocked in your environment. Please check with your administrator or your home firewall and router to ensure that the outbound port 3389 is open. This is the most common reason for the connection to the cloud server being unavailable.